am 64 years old, and I've had implants since I was 30, so quite a while, with swapping them out once. And I got to the point where I just didn't feel comfortable with that anymore. I had actually put on some natural weight also, and so I was looking forward to having the implants removed. And my primary care doctor referred Dr. Timek, and I came in for the very first time, and she was wonderful. The staff is wonderful. So I decided to go ahead and book my surgery, and I had implants removed along with fat grafting so that we didn't have any real deformation, and it went great. I love the results. It's been it's been about 3 months now, and I healed well. They did a great job, and I really love the people at this office. If I had to have anything done again, I would certainly come back here to Dr. Timek and her staff, and I would highly recommend, if you are searching for this kind of procedure or any other medical procedure, that you use Dr. Timek and her staff. It was just a wonderful experience, and I appreciate them very much. Thanks. Enjoy your day. Bye.